Good morning, class. Now, today we are going to start from chapter 5th. So, first one is animal special. See, in this strange facts and strange thing about the particular animal I had given. So, you have to read it by your own. This can come as fill in the blanks also. So, this you can read it easily. Everything is very easy. You can understand it by reading only. So, read the chapter carefully. Okay, now coming on to chapter 6. Flowery wonders. See, some wonder flowers are given and you have to write the name of these flowers. See, first one is Gloriosa. Gloriosa. Then second question. The answer is Sweper Augustus. Sweper Augustus. Then third one is Ratcus. Ratctas. Ratcus. Child orchid. Ratcus child's orchid. Then fourth one is Juliet Rose. Juliet. Juliet Rose. Now coming on to chapter 7. Chlorophyll. In this you have to tick the correct answer. So, smallest flowering plant. Correct answer is Wolfia. C part. First C. Then second, pulses are good source of protein. Second C. Then which of the following is correct? Then third question, C part is correct. Third question, C part is correct. Then fourth, plant absorb water needed by them through their. Fourth question, D part, root hair is correct. Root hair. Then fifth, which of the following branch of the science is concerned with the study of relationship of plant to their environments? So fifth question, B part is correct. Ecology. B part is correct. Then sixth, artificial light can. Sixth question, C part is correct. Bring about photosynthesis. Sixth question, C part is correct. Then 7. Pedology is the study of soil. A part is correct. 7th A. Then 8. Plant that grow under average condition of temperature and moisture are called. 8. C part is correct. Mesophytes. C part is correct. Then coming on to question 9. Deforestation has an adverse effect on. 9 question, A part is correct. Soil. 9A. Then 10th. Usually when tomatoes are plucked, they are green. They become red later because the 10th B part is correct. Chloroplast get converted into chromoplast. B part is correct. 10th B part is correct. Then 11. The purpose of growing plant along river's bank is to prevent. 11th D part is correct. Siltage and flood. D part is correct. Then 12th radish is A. B part is correct. Modified root. 12th B. Then 13. Plant are killed in winter by frost. 13 A part is correct. 13 question A part is correct. Then 14. The process of photosynthesis is most active in. 14 A part is correct. Blue light. A part is correct. Then 15. Which of the following is used by the green plant for manufacturing of sugar? 15. D part is correct. All of the above. D part. 15 question D part is correct. Then 16. Aquatic plant with floating leaves. 16. D part is correct. 16. D part is correct answer. Clear? This is true false. Tick the correct statement and cross out the wrong one about the fungi and lynches. So first one is lynches are two species surviving by depending on each other. This is true. Then second, fungi have no chlorophyll. This is true. Second question is true. Yeast, third question, yeast is not a kind of fungi. This is false. Then fourth question, lynches are mostly poisonous and hence inedible. This is false. Fourth one is false. Then fifth, many antibiotics are derived from the fungi. This is true. Fifth answer is true. Molds are a kind of fungi. Sixth answer is also true. Then fungi were previously thought to be plant because of the presence of cell wall. This is true. Seventh one is true. The color of lynches come usually from the consequent algae or cyanobacteria. So this eighth one is true. Next, ninth question. Some kind of molds are used to flavor cheese. This is true. Ninth one is true. Then 10. Fungi can grow in seas. Fungi can grow in seas. This is true. 10th answer is also true. Clear? Now this chapter is also completed. Now coming on to next chapter, chapter 9. Environmental, date and watch. You have to write the correct date in this. First question. World Wetland Day. When it is celebrated? It is celebrated on 2 February. So first answer is correct. A part. World Forestry Day. In this B part is correct. 21 March. Second B answer is correct. Then third. World Meteorological Day. In this B part is correct. Third B part is correct. Earth Day. Fourth question. B part is correct. 22 April. Then fifth one. Anti-Tobacco Day. In this A part is correct. 31 May. Fifth A is correct. Then sixth. World Environmental Day. In this A is correct. Sixth A. Seventh. International Day Against Drugs Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. In this A is correct. 26 June. Seventh answer A part is correct. Eighth. World Ozone Day. In this B part is correct. Eighth B. 16 September. Then Green Consumer Day. In this A part is correct. 9th A part. 28 September. Then 10th World Health Day. In this A part is correct. 7th April. 10th A. Then 11th question. World Animal Welfare Day. In this B part is correct. 4th October. B part is correct. Then World Population Day. In this A part is correct. 12th A answer is correct. Today till 9th chapter it is enough. Then from 10th chapter I will give you the question answer in next class. Till that time you have to learn this. You have to do it in your book. Complete the book. Thank you.